Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today, I want to share my golden guidelines for optimizing your nutrition. I have this really user-friendly sheet you can put right on your fridge. I'm going to read these golden guidelines off to you, and then I'm going to tell you how you can get a copy of this for yourself for free. So, golden guidelines. 1, enjoy a wealth of fruits and veggies, especially the superstars. Monounsaturated fats is your main fats. That's extra virgin olive oil, canola oil, nuts, seeds, and avocados. Intact 100% whole grains, 2 to 3 servings a day. Any variety of beans, peas, or lentils, daily is best. Omega-3 fats regularly, that would be oily fish, omega-3 fortified eggs, canola oil, walnuts, flax, chia, and hemp seeds, dark leafy greens, and whole soy foods. Healthy protein at each meal, whole soy foods, that's tofu, tempeh, and edamame. Nuts, seeds, beans, fish, shellfish, skinless poultry, fermented dairy, that's yogurt and kefir, and omega-3 eggs. Dark chocolate, or fresh or dried fruit as your dessert of choice. Water as your primary beverage with unsweetened tea, and coffee as desired. You want to avoid the great white hazards, white flour products like white rice, white potatoes, sugar, and sweets. You want to avoid foods high in saturated fats, red meat, butter, and palm oil, which is only in processed foods. You want to minimize, restrict red meat, especially the processed varieties like bacon and sausage and the fatty cuts, and limit your red meat otherwise to 2 servings or less weekly. You want to avoid all forms of sugary beverages and processed sugary foods. That's soda, fruit drinks, sports drinks, vitamin waters, cookies, cakes, candies, pies, pastries, etc. You want to avoid sugar substitutes and artificial sweeteners. And of course, you want to avoid processed foods. Avoid all the foods that contain ingredients that are unfamiliar to you, but difficult to pronounce, or not typically available in home-based kitchens. So if you want a copy of these golden guidelines to place on your fridge, which is a great thing to do, simply click the link in the email of this Make It Happen Monday, and we're happy to send you this as a courtesy, because I do this because I want you to be healthier. Thank you.